10 ways to improve your business. Predictable upgrades to improve your private venture are basic for its prosperity and maintainability. Things like checking income reliably, using web-based media for promoting and perceiving your qualities while requesting help in regions that are less so can help you center around improving zones of your business that offer the greatest increase. Some of the time it's a smart thought to keep an agenda convenient to help yourself to remember the fundamental advances you need to take consistently. 1. Keep financial score. Hardly any independent ventures have a precise thought of the day-by-day, week after week, and month-to-month numbers and monetary patterns occurring inside the association. It's fundamental that you invest the essential energy keeping current on income. In the event that you do not have the monetary abilities, enlist a bookkeeper, yet at the same time stay especially on top of it. 2. Set goals. Like keeping track of who's winning, defining objectives and goals is a fundamental piece of your business achievement. Utilize the objectives you set as a progressing arranging instrument to guarantee that you keep on pushing ahead with your independent venture. For example, attempt to build traffic by a specific sum on your business site or blog. More web traffic can convert into added deals or client devotion. 3. Use high-impact marketing. Squandering cash on ineffectual advertising is simple. Search out low-spending plan, high-sway promoting methodologies to improve your independent venture. Test a couple of new strategies and see which perform best prior to adding them to your showcasing blend. Web-based media is a fantastic minimal effort and okay approach to advance your business. LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram are a couple of good devices to fabricate a social presence and stand out to your business. 4. Expert business presentations. An amazing business introduction can help improve your private venture's presentation. Start by learning the basics of a significant business introduction. These can incorporate conveying an unforeseen little pearl of intelligence to enrapture your crowd. All things considered, don't overburden your introduction with data. Keep everything significant. 5. Screen trends. No business works in a vacuum. Occasions and changes in the worldwide scene affect your business. Stay current on patterns and issues occurring in your industry and nearby local area. Indeed, even things that don't appear to be significant on a superficial level may affect what you do, so think about all prospects. 6. Hone your selling skills. An exceptional yield territory for business improvement is the business work. Regardless of whether you're a one-individual activity or dealing with an outreach group, you should zero in on deals improvement. To begin, explain your business mission. At the point when you decide territories where you dominate and who needs what you do, you will have a more noteworthy feeling of vision and reason. 7. Discover best practices. Keeping everything straightforward is a significant supporting. That implies separating storehouses, conveying adequately, testing, and observing and favoring your cycles to keep everything running easily. Another model is recording your cycles to evade any miscommunication. 8. Inspire staff. Gifted and spurred staff individuals can welcome on enormous upgrades in business. Realize what propels your workers to more elevated levels of execution. Some portion of this is being willing to tune into information and knowledge from everybody on staff, paying little heed to position or rank. The absolute best thoughts come from those nearest to specific issues. 9. Know your limits. Fruitful entrepreneurs have a reasonable thought of their constraints. By realizing your innovative character type, you can deal with your assets and discover help in territories of shortcoming. This is a vital driver to progress. For instance, in case you're extraordinary at deals however less experienced with accounting, center around deals and recruit another person to deal with the books. 10. Enjoy a reprieve. Maintaining a private company is difficult work. Some of the time the most ideal approach to improve your business and reignite your energy is to get away. Try not to disparage the expected benefit of investing some energy away from your work. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.